August, my lord.
19th of August.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Between 19th of August and today, how many days are those?
Around 1 month, my lord.
Around 1 month. What efforts, if any, have been made by the National Police Service to press this thing?
My lord, immediately it was reported. The signal was sent throughout the country to all OCS. The investigation was opened and started immediately and still is live. The investigation is on. Just we appealed to the public also to assist us on where they could be found, my lord.
Do you have any report, preliminary or final, so far as those investigations are concerned?
Come again, my lord.
Do you have any report, preliminary or final?